Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an audio to your post on the Tumblr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this pencil button down below. Start creating your post, and if you want to add an audio file, tap on this headset button down below, which is the fifth option, and search for an audio file. Here you can see some Spotify options, and all you have to do is tapping on the relevant one, and here it will be inserted. If you tap on the play button, it will be started, and you can also add more than one audio files. As you can see, tap on the pause button at the top of the screen, and then you have posted it. As you can see, it's indicated down below. So if you go to your blog, you are going to see that it is posted. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.